Okay, good evening everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll review one of the new ROMs, 101 Source Project ROM for our Redmi Note 5, or also known as Redmi 5 Plus, codename Vince of our Xiaomi phone. So this is one of the newest released ROMs, and I would like to share my thoughts about the said ROM. As users, we would like to have the best well optimized ROM for our phones. We always find that missing feature from the stock ROM. Hence, we sort to try these developer ROMs, and this Syberia OS is definitely one to try. So for the UI, it's Android Pie. You can see like that. It has a very clean interface, very clean wallpaper, and most of the settings, this is where a lot of the customizations go. I mean, for the battery, I can't really see or completely show you the data, but I have used it quite a lot, and compared to other AOSP ROMs, the battery backup for this ROM is good, and the charging speed is quite at par. We have the network and internet. I have seen no bugs here, except for the mobile network. So I'm using two SIMs. One is Globe, it's a local service provider here in the Philippines, and the other is Sun Cellular. But there's a bug in this ROM that upon restart of the UI or soft restart or system restart, the data settings always goes to this one, SIM number 2. So if I turn it off and this is the preferred SIM, upon restart it would automatically go to this SIM, which is kind of annoying if you always have restarts. Wi-Fi is good, the VPN is good, the hotspot is good as well, so we're okay with that. Bluetooth, I have actually connected with my Bluetooth speaker, so this is not a bug. Let's go to the Syberia settings, which is actually kind of great. So we have gaming mode, we have preferences here and there, and you can see the difference in the UI. It's kind of different, but mostly most of the Android 1 source project ROMs usually look the same. So we can tweak stuff. We also have this power management, which other ROMs don't have, so this is a great addition. You have this aggressive battery. Where was that? And then general tweaks, so you can change the style of the recents, check the animations, stuff like that. Mostly so. So when it comes to customization, this ROM doesn't offer much, but to be honest, sometimes less actually means more. I mean, this is more of a stock experience with less bloatware. So this is a great ROM to start with, aside from a few hiccups. So if you want to use gesture controls, you can use that as well. You have those choices, but I'm actually liking this control right now, so that's what I'm using. You can use edge gestures, but I like the MIUI gestures, but not these Android based gestures. It's just, you can change the lock screen, you can change the clock widget as well, like as you can see right now. So one of the few great things about this ROM is the cute clock widgets, but if you're a classic guy, you can always revert back to the old settings. You can change it here in the settings as well. Syberia settings, lock screen. You can have those in here. You can change whatever you like. You have default, analog, you have other options there. There's a lot of customization. The lock screen on this one, that other ROMs, just the AOSP extended ROM. The Havoc ROM just doesn't offer as much. So we have that. So let's go back to the performance, mate. My performance of the phone matters. So let's go to our benchmarking app. So this ROM gets 79,000 from our Antutu benchmark, which is actually not bad. I mean, the stock ROM gets around 77 to 79,000 depending on the customization or the kernel you're using, but this one got a 79, which is kind of decent. But other AOSP ROMs you can get as much as 130 to 140,000, depends on the build and the kernel settings. But those extra points in the Antutu benchmark, you can see that in the performance much, but this ROM is so minimalist you can't feel any lag with the UI, so I think it's great. And although some of the customization stuff that you want to see in a ROM, if you're a customizer, you can't see it here. It's a minimalist ROM. It's as minimal as you can see. The package is minimal, so you can set custom DPI and stuff. Although if you want that, you can have other AOSP ROMs out there. You can test it all out. But this one is for the minimalist. I'm liking it. So for the camera, the default camera is this one. It's not packing a G cam, but as you can see, it has a decent camera. You can have filters as well. That's the default cam, HDR or not. But I managed to root this one. It's easy to root, no issue. You just download the latest Magisk in Magisk Manager, and I was able to install my Gcam as well. You can have the favorite Gcam you prefer, the one with slow motion, photosphere, photo booth, night sight. You can have it in this ROM without any issues at all. So that's it. And you can use, I have YouTube Vance, so it's great. So this ROM is actually good. It looks so minimalist, smooth UI, no lag with the animations. So all in all, as a user and a frequent ROM flasher for that instant, because I always search for new ROMs to tinker with my phone, which is currently #Vince, I'm giving this a ROM 7 for 10. I mean, obviously there's room for improvement, but I know the devs are working hard, I guess, to rectify those, and with frequent updates, this ROM is still online. I mean, there's still developers who are maintaining it, so this is one of the good ones. But I'll give it 7 out of 10. I'm not a heavy gamer, so I can't really tell you that much, but it's decent as it comes, I guess. Yes, it's well optimized and less bloatware. So thanks for listening. Any clarifications, comments, or questions you have, just feel free to shoot at the comment section. And any suggestions for our next ROM to try out, you can comment down below. And thank you for watching our vid. Catch you next time. Thank you.